Welcome to Tai Chi for back pain. This flow is designed to strengthen your core, improve spinal alignment, and overall endurance so that you can walk and move with more comfort and ease. All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Just coming into the present moment. Just letting go of all the worries, all concerns, just letting them float on by like clouds in the sky. And then on your next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top if you like, just for a moment. Then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. And then this time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Nice and soft, opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you want, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And then the bottom hand comes up and then push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Just pushing to the corner one more time, breathing in and breathing out. This time the bottom hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, and then a little bit lower. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree right out in front. And then from here, the arms float all the way up overhead. Nice, gentle stretch. The arms float out to the sides. They scoop behind the back. Then they slide down the backs of the legs. You can bend your knees if you like. Then the hands come forward, bending the knees, rising up. Arms open, scoop behind the back, slide down the legs, brushing the earth and the sky. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Just letting go of striving. Just a nice gentle stretch. One more time, brushing earth and sky. Then the arms float all the way down by the sides. The fingertips point up. Very gently rotate to one side. The hands come up. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. And then coming back to center, making the tiger claws. Spiraling the hands, rotating, nice and easy. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the tiger claw. And then this time, the hands keep going all the way up overhead, and they spiral out and away from each other. The silk reeling upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. We're taking as many breaths as you need. Just feeling into the body, feeling all the sensations, lubricating the joints, circulating the energy. One more time, silk reeling upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. They come right down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling downward spirals. Breathing, nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, breathing out one more time, silk reeling downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging the big tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down. And then just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Soothing the nervous system, activating the relaxation response. Lowering the blood pressure and heart rate, releasing the happy hormones. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. All right, this time hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa. And then step in and hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here, the arms float all the way up overhead, nice gentle stretch, making the tiger claws, and then softening the hips and the knees as you come down, gathering the energy from the earth, bringing it back up through the body, and then release, the tiger squat. But just coming down as much as you can comfortably, just once again, letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. Gathering up the energy, then letting it go. One more time, the tiger squat. Then the arms float down by the sides, circle around and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the center and then pushes forward. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in. The hand moves forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. Breathing in, breathing out. You can even lean into it if you like. It's really feeling the flow. It's letting go of stress, tension, tuning into the body. One more time, repulsing the monkey. And then both arms float all the way over to the side. They drift down, floating up to shoulder height. Other side. And then this time, the hands face away, the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Hands float up, palms face away, painting on the canvas. making nice gentle brush strokes with the hands. One more time, drift across. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave. The chin circles. Opening the shoulders, once again lubricating the joints, creating flexibility of the body and the mind. One more time. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon, and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up and over, the chin circles. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably. Once again, letting go of striving. It's really about how it feels, not so much how it looks. One more time. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Once again, gathering energy from the earth and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. All right, one more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom hand floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, and then circle it around again, warding off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around, rolling back. Receiving the energy and then giving it back. This time, roll back and then toss it away. The arms float out to the side. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold in the hand, press forward. One more time, the press. And then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the push. And then sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand floats down. Circle it around again, warding off. Once more. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Circle it around again, rolling back. Yielding. Tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. And then toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward, nice and soft. One more time, the press. Then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Pushing the mountain. Moving nice and slow. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away, fold it in, Press forward, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away and press. Release, pull in, and push. Sit back, hug the tree, bring it to center, step the foot in as well. Then step one foot out a little bit wider. Both arms float all the way over to the side and down, this time floating up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. This time one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising up, release the bow, other side, the other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. This time you can do it all together, drawing the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. And then circle around, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. Then the hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way under and then back up to the heart. And then down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. Then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.